Okay, this question number 7 has to do with this thing that people dread called completing the square. Okay, it's really not that big of a deal, and the only time you really need to do it in these types of problems where you have something given to you in this form, and what you want to, the equation for a circle looks like that. So we need to make this thing look like that by doing legal things, okay? So what we do is you put your x squared in an open parentheses, and you put your minus 6x in there too, sorry. And then you put your y squared in the same type of position with, in this case, an 8y, and you leave yourself space on both sides, okay? To complete the square, you take half of your b value, so half of negative 6 is negative 3, and you square that, and you get 9. You see how I did that? What we're doing is making this a perfect square itself. So what would we get for this one? We got to take half of 8 and square it. So we're going to put a 16 there. But we haven't done legal math stuff right now. I can't just go around adding numbers to things in life and expect not to screw things up. So what I have to do is I have to add them to both sides. Now we're street legal, okay? Notice what we're trying to factor this. What number multiplies to give you positive 9 and add to be negative 6? Well, it's that number that's half of that one. That's what we basically just did. It's x minus 3 times x minus 3 plus y plus 4 times y plus 4 is 25. Okay, so in essence, what we did was we took these things and we made them into something that could be a perfect square. So now we'll write that as x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. Well, the standard equation for a circle is x minus a, we'll call it x minus a squared, plus y minus b squared equals r squared, where a comma b is the center, okay, and r is the radius. So in this problem, our center is positive 3 comma negative 4, and our radius is 5. 3, 4, 5. Boom!